So let's talk about a simple but a much needed tool for streamers that will allow you to not only understand the audience that you're talking to, but also not waste your time. So let me ask you something. When someone lands in your room, what's the first thing that they think about your room? You probably don't know because viewers won't tell you what they think. Most of them. They'll either stay or they'll leave your room. So it's on you to create the psychology inside of your room to keep the viewers that you want and to dismiss the viewers that you don't want. There's a tool called the Go Live Bootcamp that helps you do this. And it helps you do this on a very simplistic and basic level. It helps you understand how you need to format your room, quite like a show is developed. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to run it like a show. It just means that you need to understand the purpose of being in your space and providing your time. Check out the Go Live Bootcamp so that we can understand how we can make ourselves bigger and also smarter as streamers.